Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to discover virtual museum tours using Google Arts and Culture. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and go to www.google.com. In the search bar, type Google Arts and Culture and then hit enter. Click on the first link that appears. This is your gateway to a world of artistic wonders. So once you're on the Google Arts and Culture website, click on the Explore tab. Here you can choose from a variety of options, including museums and artworks. You'll be amazed by the range of museums you can virtually visit from around the globe. So select a museum you're interested in and you'll find the option to take a virtual tour. Click on it and you'll be transported to the museum's interior where you can navigate through the halls and even zoom in on artworks for a closer look. And that's it! You now know how to discover virtual museum tours using Google Arts and Culture. It's like having a personal museum guide right on your screen. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to discover virtual museum tours using Google Arts and Culture. See you on my next video.